Hello everyone, this is Guru Prasan K from 3D Fully Design.
Here, I would like to explore these wooden dowels in 3D. These are specifically used in woodworking and furnitures. Overall dimensions in mm. These dowels have outer die of 8 mm and length of 40 mm. These have chamfered ends, that is beveled ends. This is made of maple wood. These dowels have small V-shaped grooves along its circumference. Let's look at its applications. These are mainly used in woodworking and furniture industries for joining woods and plywoods. Some more pictures of wooden dowel applications. All these pics are of woodworking and plywoods. A small clip of the plywoods to be joined with wooden dowels. Pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real and actual pic. First and foremost, on the right plane, let's draw a circle of dia 8 mm as a first sketch. Then let's solidify it by extruding it symmetrically to a length of 40 mm to form a dowel outer body. Then the dowel body has been applied with maple wood material and appearance. A dowel body with outer dia and length dimension displayed. Then let's apply a bevel or chamfer of 1.25 by 45 degree to extreme edges of cylindrical body. Then let's sketch for the first V groove right at the circumference with 0.5 width and 0.3 height. Then created the first V groove with through all both cut extrude. Then duplicated the V groove to 50 numbers equally along the circumference of wooden dowel. Function of these grooves is glue displacement. Grooves allow for excess glue to escape when the dowel is inserted. Ultimately, the 2D detailing is here. All the main dimensions were shown in front view and an enlarged detail view is added for the groove dimensions. Material is maple wood and mass of the dowel is 0.9 grams. Let's look at an application of this dowel in 3D. This is 3D design of a children's kitchen step ladder. This is entirely built with 24 mm thick plywoods. Now this is in exploded state. You can view the internal wooden dowels which joins the plywoods. The final 3D model download link is provided in the description. My 3D certifications. We do 2D and 3D trainings for students. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.